If you want to fix culture in healthcare, stop focusing on policies or these one-time trainings. Culture change does not begin with a new policy, and it does not begin with a mandatory class. It actually begins with leadership clarity. Hi, I'm Dr. Renee Thompson, CEO and founder of the Healthy Workforce Institute. And what I've learned over the last 15 years doing this work is that when toxic behaviors show up, most organizations respond kind of the same way. They roll out a new policy or process, or they make everybody come to a one-time training, or they'll send reminder emails about professionalism. But come on, you and I both know policies in one workshop does not change behavior. How does behavior change? It's through the leaders. If you want to change culture, you as the leader have to get crystal clear about the type of culture you're creating. This is what I want you to do. I want you to sit down and think. Imagine your unit on its best day. What does it look like? How are people communicating with each other? What types of conversations are they having? Are you refereeing people, or are you spending your time developing and coaching your team? Now turn that into a vision for your department. Because if you can't clearly describe the culture you're trying to build, your team will have nothing concrete to follow. So here's a simple structure to use. We are creating a unit where blank so that blank. For example, we are creating a unit where people speak up early and treat each other with respect. So patients receive safer care and people want to stay. Okay? Here's ours at the Healthy Workforce Institute. Our vision is really to create a world where bullying and incivility are immediately rejected, and kindness, respect, and professionalism become the new norm. So a clear vision makes accountability easier. Culture then will shift when the leaders make expectations clear, reinforce them consistently, and refuse to normalize behaviors that contradict them. Remember, vision first. Then culture second. Everything else builds from there. All right, if you want a proven, evidence-based system to eliminate bullying and incivility, download our Healthy Workforce Framework and start leading with clarity today. Thanks so much for being here. Be kind, take care, and stay connected.